Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Priscilla Asade. Today I am going to teach you English grammar of grade 4. Students, do you remember what we have learned in the last session of grammar? Yes, we have started with our lesson number 23, that is conjunction. We'll just have a recap what we have learned. Okay? I'll give you time. Open your Fun with Grammar book. Yes, page number 77. So we have started with our lesson number 23, conjunction of part 1 we have finished. This is a part 2. So we'll just have a recap what we have learned. So what is conjunction, students? Yes, conjunctions are joining words. They are used to join two or more words or sentences. And in that many conjunctions are there. What is that? Yes, and, but, or. And is used to join two words. But is used to join two sentences, or is used to join two words. And in that we have learned many examples of conjunction, that is though, when, if, until, because. And these use of conjunction totally depends upon what we want to say. And in that again what we have done? Yes, we have solved with exercise A. We have underlined the conjunction. Then what we have learned, students? Yes, do you remember that what we have learned? Yes, we have learned two conjunctions, that is and but. So what do you mean? When we are going to use this conjunction and? Yes, and is used to join sentences when the meaning has some relation. Here can you see here two sentences, that she went to the market, she bought 2 apples. So there is a relation between both the sentences. So we are going to use the conjunction and. Not only with this, but we are going to use and to join a list of words. For example, if we see apples, bananas, and oranges. Okay? So the conjunction and is used for these two purposes. Then second, we have learned but. So when we are going to use this conjunction but? Yes, but is used to join sentences when one sentence says something and the other just the opposite. Means there are two types of sentence. In that, if we will see, both the sentences are opposite to each other. And in that we have seen one example, that is what? We played well. So even though we played well, we lost the match. So which is the conjunction that is joining these two sentences? That is but. And with the help of these two, we have with the help of this conjunction but, we have solved the exercise C also. Okay? So today we are going to start with a new conjunction, that is yes, or. Okay? Or. The third conjunction why we are going to use or. Now or is used for what? Yes, it is used to join sentences and words to show that only one choice is available. Understood? Again I'll repeat, we use or to join sentences and words to show that only one choice is available for us. This full sentence you have to just underline it. Take one scale and underline the sentence. Before also for and but I have told you to underline it. So that whenever you will come to learn this lesson, you have to first see why teacher has told us to underline this sentence. This will help you that why you are going to use or, how you are going to use this or conjunction. Now we'll come to the example part. Now see here. Can you see here also two sentences are there? You can have ice cream. Full stop. You can have chocolates. So instead of saying two sentences, here we can use the conjunction or. See, you can have ice cream or chocolates. Understood, students? Okay. So which is the conjunction used here to show the only choice available? Or. So you can have ice cream or chocolates. So here what we have done, students? Yes, we have only selected the items. You can have ice cream or chocolates. You can have, that full we have deleted. Full stop also deleted. Now we are going to solve with exercise D. Now here what they have told? Yes, you have to use or to join the following. So or conjunction is used for what purpose, students? Yes, when we have only one choice. First example, finish your breakfast quickly. Full stop, you will be late to school. Where it is? Yes. Finish your breakfast quickly, you will be late for school. So what I am going to do? Yes, I am going to cancel full stop and I am going to use OR. So finish, F will be capital. Finish your breakfast quickly. No full stop. I am going to use the conjunction or. You will be late for school. Next, take an umbrella, full stop, you will get wet. So take an umbrella or you will get wet. Take an umbrella, you have to be fast, you have to write along with me, or you will get wet. Now here, third example, if you see, you can buy ice cream, you can buy lemonade. So here two items are given. So I am going to use only the item name. You can buy ice cream or lemonade. Second, now fourth, you have to be there on time. Full stop, they won't let you in. You have to be there on time or they won't let you in. Now can you see, students, in all the four sentences what I have done? Okay, I have removed the full stop and only have joined both the sentences. See, can you see here? I have removed the full stop, I have joined it with the conjunction or. Here only I have joined it because here the item name is given. So your choice is there. Here also if you can see, both the sentences I have written, but I have joined it with the conjunction or. Those who have not written the full sentence can only cut the full stop and can write like this over also. Then I have given just an idea for you. Next, done, students? Okay, now we have finished with the OR. So till now, how many conjunctions we have finished? In the previous session, A and D and BUT, but today we have finished OR. So next is because. Now why we are going to use the conjunction BECAUSE, that is because. You can read the explanation. Yes. So why we are going to use the conjunction because? Yes, we are going to use the conjunction because to answer the questions. Yes? Okay, so what you are going to do? Yes, you are going to underline this sentence. We are going to use because to answer the question why, or to give a reason. Whenever we want to give any reason, that time we are going to use the conjunction BECAUSE, because. Now here one example they have given. What is that? He came first. Why he came first? Yes, there is some answer. He was well prepared for the examination. So which conjunction I am going to use? Very Very good. I am going to use the because. He came first because he was well prepared for the examination. So he came first gives the reason that he was well prepared for the examination. Understood, students, why we are going to use the conjunction because? Yes, whenever I want to answer a question or whenever I want to give a reason for any of the question asked by someone, that time I am going to use the conjunction B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Now use because to join the following sentence. We are going to solve exercise E. Done? Understood till here? Okay. I went to the doctor, full stop, I was sick. I went to the doctor, I was sick. So why I went to the doctor? Yes, it shows the reason, it's saying the reason that I was sick. So I went to the doctor. So I will remove this full stop and I am going to join these two sentences with the conjunction because. See, I am writing the full sentence for you so that you can understand. Otherwise you will also do the same. You will just cut it and you will write because. So what you have to do? You have to write the full sentence. I went to the doctor because I was sick. Second, yes, we went to the library. Why we went to the library? There was some reason. Yes or no? Yes, we had some work. So, we went to the, I can understand that there is no space for you. You can write in a small handwriting. No issues. Because we had some work. The teacher is happy with us. We performed well. Now why the teacher is happy with us? Because we performed well. So what is the reason for that? Because we performed well. The teacher is happy with us because we performed well. Full stop. Fourth and fifth. Can you solve, students, this fourth and fifth? Yes, what is the fourth one? My father went to visit my grandma. Full stop. She was unwell. Again I'll repeat. My father went to visit my grandma. There was some reason, yes or no? That his father went to visit grandma. What was that? That she was unwell. Because she was unwell. So only what we are going to do? We are going to join the two sentences with the conjunction because. F will be small. My father went to visit my grandma because she was unwell. I hope that you are finding this lesson very easy. Only you have to join the sentences with the given conjunctions. Fifth one, I am hungry because I did not have my breakfast. Yes or no? What is the reason for hungry? Because I did not have my understood student how we have used the two conjunction? Yes, over or and B-E-C-A-U-S-E because. Now we are going to see some more conjunctions, okay? If you see in the same page, okay? What are they? Both, until, when, if. I hope that you have completed with this. See, that is easy, so I am going fast. So, some more conjunction we can see. What are they? Both, until, when, so, and still we can see in the next page also 80, that is if, and either. Okay, both. Now here, for each conjunction, you have to, what you have to do? You have to just underline it. Now why both is used, why until is used, why when is used, and why so is used. We'll come for the first one. Both is used to talk about two persons or things. So I expect that you have to underline this sentence. Both is used to talk about two persons or things. Okay? Again I'll repeat. When the conjunction both is used? Yes. Conjunction is used, both is used to talk about two persons or a thing. So both my brother and sisters. See, can you see here? Two persons are there. Yes or no? So I am going to use BOTH, both, in the start. Now next, until. Now why until is used? Yes, until is used to show a point of time. So when we are going to use until? To show a point of time. Example, they study. When they study, until when? Yes, until their parents return from office. That is, it's showing a particular time till when they are going to study. Understood students about until? Third, when. So when is used? Yes, when is used to show the two events happening at the same time. You will see. Here it is there, you can see. So when is used to show the two events happening at the same time. Until is used to show a point of time, and both is used to talk about two. These are the things which you have to keep in your mind. So I have told you to underline. So whatever things I am telling you to underline, students, you have to underline, and you have to underline with scale. See, I am not having scale over here, but you can use scale to look neatly. So when is used to what? Yes, to show two events it's happening at the same time. Now example, see, they play football. So when they are playing football, what is happening over there? Yes, it is raining. So two things is at the two events are there that is happening at the same time. Means they are playing also and it is raining also. Understood students? Okay. Next is what? SO, so. So is used to show the purpose of something. Why so is used? There is some purpose. Okay? To show that we are going to use the conjunction so. Example, I exercise daily. So I lost weight. So how he lost weight? He was exercising daily. That was the to lose the weight. What was his purpose of doing the exercise? To lose the weight. So I am going to use SO, so. So is used to show the purpose of something. Got it, students? Again I'll repeat this 4 conjunctions, still more 2 are there in the next page. So before we move on to page number 80, I'll again explain the 4 conjunction. B-O-T-H, both. Why it is used? Yes, it is used to talk about 2 persons or thing. Then until is used to show a point of time. When is used when 2 events are happening at the same time, and so is used to show the purpose of something. I hope that you have understood why this 4 conjunction we are using. Now we will move on to the next page, that is page number 80. Still 2 are there, that is if and either. Either this or either that. So if is used to what? Yes, it is used to show a condition. If you see on the top one sentence is there, if is used to show a condition. Example, she'll drop you home if you are late. Can you see? There is a condition that she will drop you home only when you are late. There is some condition. Okay. So if is used to show a condition. You can underline this sentence. Either or are used to show one person or thing. They either eat outside on Sundays or get food packed for it. Means here we can see 2 conjunction is there. Understood, students? Okay, so total how many we have learned in today's session? Or, because, both, until, when, so, if, either or. Total 6 we have finished. Understood, students? What are the different conjunctions used for what purpose? Now exercise F. Yes, what you are going to do? Yes, you have to match the following to make a meaningful sentences. Now see here, Ranu missed the school bus. Yes or no? So which is the correct sentences which you can match it? Yes, she missed the school bus, but she did not panic. So what I am going to do? I will put a dash and I am going to write here B. I am not going to match it. Otherwise you will get confused where I am making line. So first answer is B. He completed his homework. When he completed his homework? When his mother was away. You have to just read it and then select the correct sentence. The book was not interesting, so I returned to the library. Though it was a hot day, Sonu went down to play. Actually, I wanted to give this to you for homework, but still I will solve it for you. The shepherd boy returned. When he returned? Yes, as the sun began to set. So my last is C. Can you see? We have covered all A, B, C, D and E. Again, if you want to read, just read. Ranu missed the school bus, but she did not panic. He completed his homework when his mother was away. The book was not interesting, so I returned to the library. Though it was a hot day, Sonu went down to play. The shepherd boy returned. Now we'll move on to exercise G. Now, if you'll see here is the thing wherein you have to just read the sentence and you have to put the proper conjunction or correct conjunction which you feel that will come in these sentences. Okay, ready students? Yes. We study dash our father comes from office. Here it's showing, this sentence is showing a point of time that they are going to study when till the father comes from office. So we study until our father comes from office. We don't watch television. When we don't watch television? When we have exams. Second, dash, you and Jane were absent. Here we can see two persons are there. So, B-O-T-H, both. Now here you can see students, here some hint conjunctions are given for you. From these only you have to select and then you have to read the sentence and then put the correct conjunction in the given sentence. I will go to school. When I will go to school? Yes, if you come along. See here, until we have finished, then when we have finished, both we have finished, if if we have finished. I got hurt. Why I got hurt? Yes, because I fell down. Is a reason why he got hurt. Seema, Raju, Dash, Suhail are very naughty. Now here we can see there are three names of a person. So Seema, Raju and Suhail are very naughty. You can do sketching, dash paper folding. Here options are given of two, sketching or paper folding. So I am going to use the conjunction over or. I called her. Yes, I called her and the opposite is she did not pick up the phone. Now these two sentences is totally opposite to each other. So which conjunction we are going to use, students? Yes, beauty but, which we have learned in our last session, previous session. So in this way, today we have finished with our lesson number 23, conjunction part 2. I hope students that you have understood what is conjunction and which type of conjunction is used for which purpose. Now whatever we have learned, we will see in our animation way. Are you ready, students? I hope that you have finished with this. Okay. So shall I open for the animation part? So what is conjunction? Conjunction, join words, group of words or sentences. So just keep your pencil, everything down and look for this.
The 24. Conjunctions. Read the following sentences. I love chocolates and ice cream. Jyoti is tall, but Sunday is short. What will you have, tea or coffee? In sentence 1, and joins two words, chocolates and ice cream. In sentence 2, but joins two sentences, Jyoti is tall and Sunday is short. In sentence 3, or joins two words, tea and coffee. This means that the words and, but, or are joining words that are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They are used to join two or more words or sentences. Some more examples of conjunctions are as follows. They were happy, though they were poor. We started our journey when the rain stopped. You will do well in the exam if you study hard. Try and try until you succeed. She missed the bus because she woke up late in the morning. The use of conjunction actually depends upon what we want to say. Read the following and you will notice that we have used different conjunctions to convey different ideas. I will go home and do my homework. But I will not take you along because I am tired. Or I will stay back. If I get the air ticket. When I get leave. Let us understand why we use conjunctions. And. We use and to join sentences when we need combination. Example. She went to the market. She bought 2 apples. She went to the market and bought 2 apples. We use and to join a list of words. Example. I love apples, bananas and oranges. But. We use but to join sentences when one sentence says something and the other just the opposite. Example. We played well. We lost the match. We played well but lost the match. I loved the dress. Mother did not like it. Alan injured his leg. He kept on playing for his team. Or. We use or to join sentences and words to show that only one choice is available. Example. You can have ice cream. You can have chocolates. You can have ice cream or chocolates. Because. We use because to answer the question why or to give a reason. Example. He came first. He was well prepared for the examination. He came first because he was well prepared for the examination. Some more conjunctions. The is used to talk about 2 persons or things. Example. Both my brother and sister are doctors. Until is used to show a point of time. Example. They study until their parents return from office. Where is used to show 2 events happening at the same time. Example. They play football when it rains. So is used to show the purpose of something. Example. I exercised daily, so I lost weight. If is used to show a condition. Example. She will drop you home if you are late. Either or are used to show one thing or person. Example. They either eat outside on Sunday or get food back for home. Let's revise. I am a conjunction. I join words, groups of words, or sentences.
So in this way we have finished our today's lesson, that is lesson number 23, conjunction, in the second part 2. Now students, what you have to do, I hope that you have understood what we have learned. So here can you see some space? Okay, so whatever conjunctions we have learned, for example and, but, here you have to make a list of all the conjunctions, how I have told you to do in lesson number 22, that is preposition. Okay, thank you, have a good day.